Application of slitting line in solar structure roll forming production line. The slitting line plays a fundamental role in this process. It is the stage where wide steel or aluminum coils are cut into multiple narrow strips, each perfectly sized to feed into the solar structure roll forming production line. This preparation stage is not just about cutting metal, it's about ensuring dimensional accuracy, edge quality, and material integrity, all of which directly affect the performance and durability of the final solar support structures. How the slitting line works in solar structure production. A typical solar structure manufacturing process begins with uncoiling a master coil, which can weigh several tons and measure up to 1,500 millimeters in width. The slitting line then 1. Feeds the coil through precision-driven straightening and guiding unit. 2. Slits the coil into narrow strips according to the exact width needed for the roll-forming tooling. 3. Maintains edge quality using high-quality slitting knives with accurate positioning systems. 4. Recoils the strips for either immediate transfer to the roll-forming line or storage for later use. The final strips are uniform in width, burr-free, and ready for high-speed roll forming into profiles. Importance in solar industry applications. Solar mounting systems require precision-engineered steel and aluminum profiles to support photovoltaic panels over decades of operation in outdoor environments. The slitting line's role in this is vital because structural integrity, even slight deviations in strip width can cause misalignments in roll forming, affecting the load-bearing capacity of the mounting system. Corrosion resistance, smooth, burr-free edges protect the zinc coating on galvanized steel, preserving corrosion resistance. Mass production capability. Large-scale solar projects demand thousands of meters of profile, and slitting lines enable continuous, large-volume material preparation. Benefits of using a slitting line for solar roll forming. 1. Exact width control ensures every strip matches the roll-forming tooling setup, preventing misalignment and profile defects. 2. Material optimization maximizes yield from each coil, reducing scrap and saving raw material costs. 3. Burr-free edges reduces tool wear in the roll former and improves surface finish of the final product. 4. Flexibility adapts quickly to produce strips for multiple solar structure designs. 5. Increased production speed. Pre-slit coils allow the roll forming line to operate continuously without downtime for material changes. Integration with roll forming lines for solar structures. In many solar structure factories, slitting lines are positioned upstream of the roll forming machines. The process workflow is 1. Master coil loading onto the uncoiler of the slitting line. 2. Slitting into strips matching roll forming tooling specifications. 3. Recoiling strips or directly feeding them into the roll forming line. 4. Roll forming into solar structure profiles. 5. Cutting to length, punching, and packaging. By integrating the slitting and roll forming stages, manufacturers reduce handling, speed up production, and improve consistency across batches. Role in large-scale solar projects. Global demand for solar energy infrastructure is driving the need for fast, scalable, and high-quality production of mounting structures. A slitting line ensures manufacturers can supply massive volumes of accurately sized coils for solar farms with thousands of mounting points, industrial rooftop installations requiring custom dimensions, lightweight yet strong support frames for residential solar panels. By investing in a high-performance slitting line, solar structure manufacturers can meet strict project timelines, reduce production costs, and maintain consistent quality across batches. As a manufacturer of solar structure roll-forming lines, LOTOS Forming designs equipment to be perfectly coordinated with slitting lines. The result is fast, accurate, and cost-effective production of profiles such as strut channels, C-profiles, panel mounting rails, and other solar structural components.